Hi, in this video I'm going to take a look at top
chest freezers.
If found this list helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
As professional chefs and restaurant owners, we wanted equipment and appliances that were more practical, durable, and efficient. As hands-on food industry experts, we needed better food display options, freezers, and kitchen appliances that simply did not exist. So, we created them ourselves. And the results are now installed in commercial kitchens across the globe. KoolMore only manufactures high-quality, fully certified, reliable, and convenient commercial kitchen and food display products that meet or exceed standards. KoolMore, food preparation and food presentation upgraded, with practical products and exemplary service. Invest in quality with KoolMore.
We just received this amazing little freezer. It's from the company Busine, and it's 3.5 cubic feet. It opens and closes really easily, and it has two handles on the side. It's nice and compact so that it can fit in an apartment or in a garage or even in an office. You can you can set your temperature to 7 settings down there on the bottom. 7 settings, so if you had it on 1, you can do drinks. If you had it on 7, you can do really frozen things like frozen meats and ice cream and frozen foods. It's really deep. You can take out this little basket that has our ice cream in it and put it right here on top so it's easy for the kids to grab.
At Premium Levella, your satisfaction is our top priority. From our no-hassle 30-day return policy to our best-in-class warranty, you know that when you put your trust in us, peace of mind comes standard. Our dedicated team of representatives is waiting to answer your questions. Premium Levella. Style, quality, affordable for modern living.